What is up, guys? Got woken up this morning by the bell, and I was very happy to see that the package that came in said tracked and insured on it. So this must be something good. Can't wait to see it. And so I'm turning this camera on and recording me opening this box with the hopes that it's something amazing. Something fantastic that you guys will appreciate. It's very likely that it won't be, because I don't know who it's coming from. Didn't recognize the name, but it did say tracked and insured. So that probably means one thing, that there's probably some cool jewelry in this bag. Ah! Lirys. The only thing that stays consistent is the grind. Keep on grinding. Super excited today. As you guys saw, we got a box in from Lirys. Very grateful to Lirys and their team, because not only are they made up of a bunch of funny, happy individuals, as far as everything I've seen, they've been nothing but kind-hearted, sweet, normal, down-to-earth human beings, but they actually gave my channel a shot as far as just wanting to help contribute to it. And I'm grateful for that. I'm very grateful for that. As you guys saw, we had a package from them. We're gonna be doing a deep dive into what I received from them. Let me take you over to the box and show you the exact presentation of what we're dealing with and why I'm so excited. So first off, this, I gotta say, besides anything that's in this box, this is gonna be, I might frame this. I'm super happy to see it. Good luck with your channel. Feel free to keep anything you like, Lirys team. Thank you so much for this, Lirys. I want to really thank you. This piece of paperwork means more than you know, because I'm really trying to make this channel something that benefits the viewers, and I'm grateful to see that you guys found value in it enough to actually send me some of your beautiful merchandise. So here we have this beautiful presentation. Off the bat, you can see Lirys' Spartan ring. This is pretty sick.
My name is Gladiator.
Check that out. Oh man, look at that. That is nice. I love this Spartan ring. This is sick. Gotta love the presentation. The white and the gold is just absolutely gorgeous. Beautiful theme. I'm telling you though, no matter what's in this box, this is what I'm talking about. This is the love. This is the love that my channel doesn't deserve. This is the love that I don't deserve. And I'm grateful that Lirys actually cared enough to even send this stuff over to me. And let alone say that I can keep it if I like it. That is just absurdly kind. Like I said, they're normal people there, and that's something that I really appreciate. Wow, look at that. Look at that. That is gorgeous. That is beautiful. Gotta love the detail on the forehead. And this is on a Miami Cuban link, it looks like. Probably about, I want to say 3 millimeters. I'll have to check. Beautiful. Let's see what else we have. This is a box chain, a round box. Beautiful, heavy. With a fish and a wave, fish and waves pendant. Might be hard to tell, but we'll get an in-depth close personal view in a moment. This is a heavy chain. I can feel even without the pendant, I can feel it's heavy. Very nice. And we got a bunch of Lirys stickers, which I promise I will use in really great places. Some cleaning cloths. And the history of Lirys. Super, super happy to have this stuff hanging around my neck. And again, it's not necessarily because of the stuff itself, although it is absolutely beautiful, and we will be getting some detailed close shots on what these pieces are. It's not necessarily because of that. It's more along the lines of the fact that, as I showed you in that little letter that they sent, you know, it's just some marker and some paper, but it's the love behind it that truly matters. Every time I've spoken to the people over at Lirys, they've always been such cool, chill, laid back, kind, and down to earth human beings. And when you purchase jewelry, you're not only purchasing the piece, but you're also purchasing the company. You want to make sure that the company that you're working with is backing you. And you know, the fact that they've dealt with me so kindly and lovingly, and meanwhile, I haven't thrown them any business. I genuinely just reached out to them, said, hey guys, we had some people on the channel asking about your stuff, so I'd like to review your stuff, send it back to you. They quite literally just sent me this stuff to check out, and they said to keep it if I liked it. And you know what? The fact that they actually cared enough to spend time talking to me, because they're a big player. I am a small fish in a super huge ocean. The fact that they even gave me the time of day means more than you know. So thank you, Lirys, for the love that you've shown. Thank you to your entire team. Keep up with your YouTube channel that I thoroughly enjoy watching because of your funny antics and quirky moments. I think it's fantastic. I love what you're trying to do and what you are doing and what you've been doing. So let's get into a deep dive to the pieces that we have here. The ocean pendant with fish on the opposite side. Now, it might be a little bit difficult to see, but I will get you some in-detail shots. You got this beautiful stone, this beautiful blue stone right here in the middle. And when this package came, this pendant was actually hanging off of the round box chain, but I changed it up a little bit. The round box chain that we have here that's currently holding this gorgeous silver gorilla. All this jewelry is silver. 925. Check this out. Look at that fierce face. That is beautiful. Look at the details on the ears. I love the ears. The ears make it. It's the small details that really, really set things off sometimes. Now this round box chain here is hanging at 24 inches, and this is a 2.5 millimeter, okay? 2.5 millimeter. We have a Miami Cuban link hanging here at 22 inches. This is a 3 millimeter Miami Cuban link. I want you guys to just look at something. While I have this on my neck here, take a look at the sizing. Can you tell a difference in millimeter? Probably not. And the reason why is because just like with the rope chain, just like with the Franco chain, you have the opportunity with a round box chain to look like you have a larger millimeter than what you actually have. The rope chains do it the best. But as far as bang for your buck when it comes to saving money and getting presents, getting something solid, this is what I'm talking about. Look at that rope chain in comparison to the 3 millimeter Miami Cuban. You could probably not even tell a difference. They look like they're the same millimeter, at least to me. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. Check that out. Beautiful. Love those ears. And here we have that wave chain. Look at that blue stone. That blue stone really sets it off nicely. Beautiful. Absolutely gorgeous. My wife is going to love this. I am very confident in that. You have the fish in the back, and they're in like a pond looking kind of a scene. You see that? I love the texture. The texture, I hope you guys can see the texture. The fish are swimming around in a textured lake. I hope the texture's coming out because it's really those small details that make this phenomenal. Then you have this beautiful Spartan ring. This is really, really absurdly cool. Loving the detail. Loving the detail. I know many people on this channel have spoken about how they've purchased from Lirys in the past and how they were always satisfied with their purchase. And I can see why, because this stuff is quality stuff with quality people backing it. Like I said, when you're purchasing jewelry, you're not just purchasing the jewelry, you're purchasing from, you know, the manufacturer that you're buying from, the company that you're putting your trust in. Those are the people who you're really purchasing from. I've had a few people reach out in the past and say, Joe, what is a trustworthy company? Who do you recommend? Guys, I would highly recommend, I highly recommended Lirys before this already, before they sent me this beautiful stuff to check out and showcase to you guys, simply because we had some people on the channel ask and inquire about their stuff. So I'm very, very grateful that they even sent this our way. Thank you, Lirys, for supporting this channel and supporting the people on this channel who asked about your merchandise. The fact that you sent this our way shows us how much of a stand-up company you are, how much you care about your customer. And to get a little bit more into detail, here you go as far as the history. I love that they included this history card. So this is what I'm talking about, guys. You're purchasing not only a product, you're purchasing a company. I'm telling you right now, I'm super happy with the stuff they sent me. I'm super happy with everything down to the small details. And I'm very happy with the fact that they actually put their trust in this channel and the viewers of this channel to send their stuff our way. I hope you guys really appreciated this. I hope this gave you some insight into what Lirys has to offer. They have some fantastic stuff on their website, not only just in silver, but in gold as well. You're not just purchasing jewelry, you're purchasing the people that create the jewelry, that send you the jewelry. It's about trust, and there's a lot of good jewelers on the market, but there's also a lot of bad ones. Lirys is definitely at the top of the list with like the top 5 people that I could think off the top of my head of who to purchase when you want quality stuff. Thank you to you, Lirys, for doing this. Keep up with your YouTube channel. It is a grind, and you know it's a grind. Keep doing what you're doing, making it better every day. Thank you to the team. Really, really appreciate it. Hope this was able to help, guys. Be safe. Catch you all soon. If you have anything else that you'd like to see on this channel that I can try to help with, let me know in the comments. Let me know what your thoughts are on Lirys. Have you purchased from them in the past? Do you think that maybe you'll purchase from them in the future based upon this fantastic review? Talk soon. Be safe. Catch you all at the next video.